Hey YouTube, it's your girl right here. I'm back again with another video. Yes, back to back. I got my IPSY box today. This is my June IPSY box for 2020. I'm just saying. And we'll talk about that other box another time. But let's just open this IPSY Glam box and see what's going on in this box, y'all. Alright, let's see what we got. This is how it still looks the same on the inside. And we got a card this month. Okay, so is this the actual card or is it the same no card? Nope. It just says make waves 624. What is this? And win $1,000. We're challenging you to ditch the everyday routine and jump into the deep end bright. Jump into the deep end. Bright shadows, bold lips, and beyond. Try a new beauty trend and share how you want it for a chance to win over 50 beauty products and $1,000. What? Follow IPSY on Instagram, create a makeup look, pop of color, and post it on Instagram. Tag at IPSY. Hashtag giveaway. Hashtag IPSY make waves. Okay, there go a free $1,000 for anybody who want to put on some pops of colors in their shadows and tag IPSY. $1,000, y'all. I'm good on that. But yeah, let's get in here. The first thing I see, y'all, I didn't get a card, so I ain't gonna be able to discuss, you know, what's what. I got this. Oh, I thought this was another Pearlise in BoxyCharm. We've been getting these so often, so much. But this is the Pearlise Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. Now this I'm happy with. I am satisfied with. It's not a repeat thing. And I do have the, I think it's the primer, Pearlise primer. This is what the packaging looks like. Full size cleansing milk. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones, and soothes soap. And tones, soothes soap. That don't make sense. Gently cleanse skin, removes makeup, tones, soothes soap, and sulfate free. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all read that for somebody who might think I'm losing it. Okay, but I'm glad to have it. It's a milk face wash. You can always use a good face wash, so I'm cool with that. The next thing I see here, if I get this thing here one more time, I'm pretty sure I will just scream. This is the Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer. I think this may be the third time I've gotten it. Twice in BoxyCharm, fourth time, and twice in IPSY. It's a luminizing primer. I have oily skin, so for me it's a no. Somebody else might be totally happy to have it, so I'm gonna definitely put this in my giveaway pile. Okay, next thing, what is this? AC Control Blemish and Spot Treatment. Let me let you guys see what it looks like. AC Control Blemish Spot Treatment. I never heard of this. And there's no card for me to read about it. So, I don't know. It has a sticker here that says not for resale. Good and Doc. I've never heard of this. Let's see what it looks like. I can use it though. Control blemish and spots. See, I can use this because I got a lot of spots and dots that can definitely, you know, use this treatment if it actually works. So y'all disregard the little black stuff because I'm painting. I'm painting the house. And it's black paint that I'm using, and it will not get off my arm, my wrist, but it's okay. It's okay. It says this cream-like texture is great for treating, it's great for treating trouble areas such as age spots, okay, dark spots, and environmental damage. So this is going straight in my skincare box now, today, so I can start using it tonight because I got a lot of spots and dots, could use some attention, you know. And then I have, I don't know what it is, these pencil companies must be wanting to get away, rid of these, because we're getting a pencil It looks like the last few months from Boxy and IPSY. So this is our silly. That's what it says. And I don't know yet. Again, I don't have a card. Okay, and it's a felt tip pencil. Oh, it's pretty dang black. Pretty dang black. Look at that. That's pretty black. And that's what the tip looks like. Pretty straight tip. Okay. I was about to complain about this, but I'm going to reserve my complaints till after I use it. I'm not mad about this. I thought it was going to be a markup pencil. The next thing I see in here is Ciate Marble Metals. Did I miss this? I don't think I've heard of this. But I have learned that I love Ciate products. Oh, apply using fingertips for best results. Use over eyeshadow or alone over the eyelid. Oh, so it's eyeshadow? Oh, this is what the packaging looks like. The top is not really tight. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that through all the color and the lights. I don't know. Wicked. Okay. I cannot see the color. Let me see if it's on the box. Ciate Marble Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow. Wow, I haven't seen these. I don't know what the shade is. I can't tell you guys the shades, but at least we can see what it looks like. Oh, a purple and silver looking. That is beautiful. If it performs nearly as good as it looks. Let me swatch it, y'all. Oh, it's really soft. Oh, that is beautiful. Y'all, that's beautiful. That is really pretty. Look at that. It's like a really pretty purple and silver. Yeah, you could put that on by itself. That is so pretty. Or put a dark shade in the crease and put that all over the lid. This is beautiful. I missed this. I totally have not seen this. And it's really soft. Let me let y'all see what it looks like after I swiped in it. That is beautiful. I really absolutely love this. Okay, IPSY, I see you showing out over there. I see you showing out. Oh, and let me let y'all see this month's bag for IPSY. This is this month's bag. That's beautiful. Little women swimming. That is so cute. Okay, guys, that's it. That's the end of my IPSY unboxing. I'm going to go so I can get this video up. And y'all may see me a couple times looking this very same way. I got my Bath and Body Works haul to put up, and I just might put that up now or either early in the morning. 1 to 2. I went on Monday, but I've been on the slow bus to getting the video up. But just let me know if y'all want to see it. I'll go ahead and get it edited and get it up for you. Alright, talk to you guys later. I hope everybody's staying blessed and have a wonderful day, a wonderful week. And talk to you guys later. Stay blessed, y'all. Bye, guys.